All right, you guys came to Sugar and Ellen for our room tour on Ovation of the Seas. You came to the right place. Sugar, you ready to show them this room?
I'm ready.
She was born ready. All right, guys, let's go take a look. This is room 7286. Of course, that means it is on deck 7. This is considered an adjoining obstructed view balcony. And we'll get to that part in just a bit. So this will be the door over here to the room next to us. You can have, if you bring kids with you, you don't want them in the same room as you, or some family members, this would be a good room for you to get. Of course, on the door, you've got your muster station information. This one here is deck 5, muster station D4. You got the most important part, the thermostat. I recommend turn it all the way down. Sugar, on the other hand,
I'm going to turn it all the way up.
she's going to turn it all the way up. We're going to be going back and forth. All right, you've also got here, they put a key card in here for you. This is what you need to keep your lights on. Old school, you used to have to put your room key in there. Now they stick a little card in there for you. As soon as you come in, you've got your bathroom or restroom, whatever you call it. And coming in here, we've got storage right there. Put your miscellaneous items. We've got some storage underneath as well. Hello. You've got counter space here, which we love to see. And of course, your sink, your soap. Coming over to the shower itself, no dreaded shower curtain. Nice glass door. In here, you've got your shower head that's adjustable and removable. You've got your shampoo and body wash. Very nice, very spacious. I'm a big guy, I fit in there comfortably. Coming out of the bathroom, we got some storage on each side of the bed. This one has got hangers up there, and then the bottom where you can put suitcases and backpacks. What else we got, Shug?
Over here we have more storage space. And then you also have your safe, which could fit like possibly a small tablet, your passports, jewelry, just important documents.
All right, can't put my laptop in there?
No, I'm not sure about that one.
Probably not.
Okay, then down here you have 2 drawers to give you some more storage space.
Okay.
Then above the bed, you're gonna have these on both sides, which is gonna give you more space, and then you have an extra pillow.
Awesome. So also on this side of the bed over here, you've got a US outlet. So you can plug stuff in. We love that. You see that more common on the newer ships. Don't see it as much on the older ships. Behind us here, the TV, it actually pulls away from the wall so that you can watch TV while you're sitting on the couch. Very convenient. Got our couch over here. It does not pull out into a bed, but I think it's big enough, spacious enough. If somebody wanted to sleep on it, they could. Come over here, you've got a little desk to work on. You got a vanity mirror with lights on it. Your desk, you've got 2 US outlets, you've got a European outlet, and you've got 2 US USB-A ports. And making our way around, you got storage over here. This one's got your hair dryer in there. You got some more drawers over here, 4 more drawers. This room has got a lot of storage space. And you've got a fridge / cooler. Fairly spacious in there. You can put your Drink a Champion Dr. Peppers in there if you want, or Shug's Yucky Coca-Cola. And then we come to the obstructed view balcony. Ovation of the Seas is sailing out of LA now. So of course at port you get to see California's wonderful green water, but as you get closer to Mexico you'll see some better color. We've also got 2 chairs here. They recline, and a little table. So if you want to bring your breakfast out here or your coffee, you can do that. And let's take a look at the room from the other side here. Just we really enjoy this room. It's a very nice room. We hope you guys have enjoyed this room tour. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you on our next adventure.